You right?
Yeah, I've just got my first comedy gig on tonight.
What, isn't it?
Yeah, first, yeah.
All right. Wow. First one. Wait for it. So, that's your first joke?
I was thinking of going out there and just starting with Christina Ricci. Just starting with a joke about Christina Ricci.
What?
Christina Ricci with the nose. Just thought it might work.
That's terrible.
Well, I thought people would relate. It's our
So,
age.
no, that's an awful joke. Body shaming. You don't do that.
You've seen him perform
Yeah,
at
no,
universities and pubs all over Queensland. Give it up for one of Australia's most exciting new talents, Hoover Doover!
Alright, what's happening, people? That's right. So,
How about the nose on that Christina Ricci? Am I right? Can she smell what I'm thinking?
Good evening. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about maths and memory, something I'm neither good at. Always been quite bad at maths. Not good at statistics either, which falls under the branch of maths. I just bought 2 tickets on East Asian Airlines, East China, fucking China Airlines. Which statistically speaking, I think 263 people have died this year. So this could be my last and first show. Never good at maths, particularly in primary school actually. It never got better, but this was the height of bad maths. Once a week, every lesson of maths, I was taken out to a slow room with a teacher aide, and I say slow because anyone that walked in there was walking really slowly, if they walked in there at all. Not even a cleaner, in fact, not even a slow cleaner went into that room. Not even people that like to hang up posters went into that room. It was just me and the teacher aide, who had no personality, by the way. We'd play Chinese checkers. And the funny story about this is, it's coming, I know. The funny thing about this is I still don't know how to play Chinese checkers after a year. And so I did try to use this to my advantage at primary school. I walked over to the girls that were hanging around the bubblers because that's where they stood most of the time. I don't know if it was hot. It was hot. And I asked them, do you want to play Chinese checkers? Because I've been playing it for a year. And you can try and beat me. Successfully, they did do that behind the developers one afternoon. They beat me hard. Actually, that's a fucking lie. It was me because I was angry that I'd been fucking playing Chinese checkers for a year. And statistically speaking, we're getting back to the maths and memory part, particularly the maths side now, is that I'm a lesbian, if you couldn't have, I know Hannah Gadsby's just left comedy, and you could say that it's divine intervention or divine timing where I've appeared. I don't know, statistics. One lesbian drops off, another one climbs aboard. And so, back to the real story, which the memory part is lagging now. So I put both of those parts in, maths and memory now. Is that, statistically speaking, thank you, I probably would have been better as a straight woman because I believe there's probably more straight men out there, statistically speaking, and I guess that they probably would play Chinese checkers as well. You see, lesbians, they like mahjong. Mahjong is a fancier game than Chinese checkers.
The sound of bedlam that puts